Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu remained behind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam due to his sore eyes. He said, I remained behind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Later Hazrat Ali set out and reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The evening of the night fell on whose morning the Khaybar was captured. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this standard will be handed over to him, or said, in the morning that person will bear this standard whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle love. Or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, who loves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant victory through him. Then Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu met us and we did not anticipate it. The people said, here is Ali. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him the standard and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted the victory by means of him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2975.